Hey, how's it going? This is Ethlie, and this channel is called Boomer Tech, and I decided to make it because whenever I try to find out how to work anything on my technology, I go to YouTube and I try Boomer Technology, and they just make fun of us. And when I look for the actual technology, they talk so fast and use so much jargon, it's really hard to understand what's going on. So I've decided to make a really simple channel talking boomer to boomer about some tips and tricks on how to use our phones and our Zoom and the things that we're stuck using every day, whether we want to or not, because actually they're fun and they're useful and I kind of like them. So let me share with you a few of the things I found out. And if there's stuff that you want to find out, just ask. I'm easy to contact. All the information will be below, and ask your question. And if I don't know, I'll try to find someone who does. Like, I'm a Mac iPhone person. You might be a PC Android person. I might not be able to help, but I know people. So the first thing I have to reiterate is that, yes, I am a born in the 1950s certified grandmother of two baby boomer, but I look cute on Zoom. And I look cute on Zoom because I want to look cute on Zoom and because I use a Snap camera instead of my computer's regular camera. Snap camera is just a piece of software. You just download it and it's free. And then you tell Zoom to look through the Snap camera instead of your computer's camera. That's all there is to it. Let me show you some screen shares on how you do that. Now, the Snap camera is just a piece of software. It's an app and you download it. You can just search for Snap camera, or you can just type in the address, which I have conveniently put in the description for you. Then you're going to download it and you're going to tell it what computer you're on and accept their terms. And then you will just tell them you're not a robot, and you will download it for either Mac or PC. Follow the directions. It will be resident on your computer and it's there. Then you open it up. The icon is a black and yellow circle. And when you open it up, you will have the Snap camera options. Then what you need to do is tell Zoom to look through that lens instead of the lens it was looking through before. Here, let me show you how. So this is what it looks like when you open the Snap camera. And what you're going to do is choose what lens you want. They have a bunch that they'll suggest. And then you can also, I don't know, office work. Makes you look like you're in an office. That's a good idea. The ones you like, you can favorite. I keep some favorites over here. If I forget to put on my lipstick, I can do that and sparkle at the same time. So that's kind of fun. I can, oh, that's too much lipstick, don't you think? We can do our eye makeup without doing our eye makeup, or we can be a Smurf, which is probably a bit much for the office. Oh, Disney princess. I like that one. So I was just thinking, mostly we just want to look a little glowy, look a little nice, and have fun with it. So that's all I can think about to say about Snap camera. Ask me more and I'll try to answer your questions, because I am tired of being patronized and condescended to, and I won't do that to you. I'm glad you're here. Talk soon.